Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Akila and I'd love for you guys to join. So I'm on my way to pick up Ivy. I asked her if she wanted to go to Ikea with me because I'm going to pick up a mirror, like a full body length mirror. I've been wanting one for a while and they have one there for $50 that I liked. Ooh, so I'm gonna go get it, but first I'm gonna stop at Starbucks and get us a drink and then head over to her place. So see you guys once I'm in the car with her. Alright guys, so I'm with Ivy and we made it to Ikea. We're gonna have some fun exploring. I'm getting my mirror. I'm so excited, but I'll probably vlog once I get inside.
We'll see if it fits in the car.
I think it'll fit, especially if we put the seats down a certain way, but we'll see you guys in Ikea. Alright guys, we are in Ikea and looking at everything right now. I had to get a bigger cart, especially for my mirror because I don't know how big it is. But, oh, that's cute. I like that couch too and that other yellow one. We're looking at all these couches and they're so beautiful. Like, look at this one. Let me show you guys. That one right there is so cute. I love it. Okay guys, I got the mirror. I'll show you more once I get out in the car. But it's really nice. I love it. Has like a white frame on it, but now we're at checkout. Alright guys, we are in Austin and we're going to Urban Outfitters.
It smells good. I don't know what it is, but it smells good.
Yeah, it does. It smells like some Chinese food. Yeah, it smells really good. Had to take some photos to make sure we could remember where we parked, but we're on our way to Urban. I'll probably vlog once I get in there. Ivy's never been inside an Urban before.
Yeah, I've never been inside an Urban, which is weird, but like, it'll be a first time for everything, so I'm excited.
Yeah, we're very excited. I've only been in an Urban 2 other times, and it was when I was younger, so like 6 years ago. But we're excited to go in this one, so I'll vlog once we get in there. Alright you guys, so we are eating. We are at a place called Left Wing and we each got a chicken sandwich, right? Yeah, we each got a chicken sandwich.
Hey guys.
We're at this cute little place. Also, Ivy helped me with like the settings on my camera, so maybe it's more clear now, who knows? But it's so cute here, I love it. It's hot. I mean, well, not right now. The wind, the breeze feels good, but it has been hot. But it's so cute. Hello guys, so I'm back home. I've been back home for like an hour now, maybe 30 minutes, but I thought I'd do a haul of the stuff I got. We went to Austin, shopped at Urban Outfitters, went to Ikea. So first I just got this little corduroy bag. I've been wanting a corduroy bag for a while now, so I got that. And then I also just got this cute little bracelet, like Y2K vibes. And then from Ikea, I just got these 2 hanger sets. We needed more hangers. And then I got this little towel set, and it comes with 4 of them. So cute. And then I just got this little bottle. I thought it would be cute to put water in it and drink some water out of it. So cute. So cute. And then I just got these little spice bottles, which were cheap. They were like $3 for this. But yeah, that's what I got. And then I'll show you the best part. Let me put my purse up. Ooh, I took my eyelashes off and now like glue is still stuck on my eyelid, so it feels weird. But let me show you what else I got. Also, we got some food. Brought home leftovers because it was a lot. My room's a little messy, but I got this full-length mirror finally. I'm so excited for this. It is 59 inches tall. And this is what it looks like. So excited for it. I love it. I can't wait to take all like the little OOTD pics that I plan on taking. But yeah, that is everything I got. Hello guys, fit check. So today is Sunday. I figured I'd add on to this vlog. I don't think I'm really doing anything, just cleaning. I had to clean out the guinea pig cage. Well, I still have to do that. And Leroy's tank and sunflowers. But I already got those 2 done. I just got to do the guineas. But this is the fit, so I'm just wearing these shorts from PacSun, a thrifted little tank top, headscarf is from Dirt Cheap, and then my makeup, I'll turn it around, but then this bracelet is from Urban, and then I was wearing my Nasty Gal sandals with it, but I took them off just because I'm at home and I'm not going out anywhere, but I just did it for the photos. Let me get down here. But yeah, the quality should be kind of changed up on my camera, maybe more clear now and not so like red, but that is what I'm doing, so I figured I'd vlog a little. I already had my cup of coffee, I'm drinking my water now, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. But this is my makeup. Ooh, ooh, I'm breaking out right there, but that's okay. Lips. I actually need to get more of this lipstick because I ran out, and now I'm just like kind of digging on the sides of it to get the rest out. But yeah, and then I just curled my hair, but it doesn't look curled really anymore because yeah, it just kind of fell out. But that's the vibes. And yeah, I got my full-length mirror up. I just have it set right here. I did have it on that wall, but I figured it'd look better right here, especially when I was taking photos. So yeah. Catch you guys on the flip side. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Akila, and I'd love for you guys to join. So I'm with Ivy.
Hey guys.
And we are in Waco. So right now we're walking into Dirt Cheap.
Come on. Why didn't you just put your blinker on? Because I need to go that way.
Girl, tell me why I thought we were gonna go over a curve or something. I didn't know it was open right there. I was like, what are you doing?
I'm a crazy driver.
Hello, friends. So I am back home, and I have my ring light shining on me, so it's probably at a weird little angle. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little haul of everything I got. So first I'm gonna start with Dirt Cheap, and I just got this top from Dirt Cheap. So I got it because I could wear it as an oversized tee, and it just says Great Wolf Lodge, beware wolf dropping, and this is what the back looks like. And then this is the front, and it's just a double XL, I believe. Yeah, double XL. And then I just got this other shirt. Ivy actually found this, and I thought it would fit perfectly with me considering I have plants. It just says Plant Mom. Super cute. And I spent a total of $12.98 in there. Now we're gonna move on to Ulta, where I did a little damage. Let's take another sip on that. I spent $97 in Ulta. Do not want to talk about it. It's okay. So first I just got this white cat headband. I figured it would go good when I'm doing a little skincare, so then I can pull my hair back, pull my bangs back as well with it. It just looks like that. And then I got 3 different lipsticks from ColourPop. So I got Brink Matte. I'm gonna swatch these as well. I'm just gonna show you guys first. So I got Brink Matte, and it just looks like that. Oh. Don't know if you guys can see. There we go. Brink Matte. And then I just got Ziggy. Oh, and these are all in matte as well. And then I just got Oh Snap. And now I'm gonna swatch them all so we can see how they look. Okay. Ooh, I can already tell this one's going to be my fave for sure. Wow, beautiful. So that one is Ziggy. And now we're gonna move on to Brink. This one's gonna be gorgeous as well. So from left to right, so this one was, what was that one? That one was Brink, and then we have Ziggy. So Brink, Ziggy, and then Oh Snap is right there. That's as best as it's gonna get. But there's that. And then I just got, I'm pretty sure I got the wrong shade. I think I was supposed to get Ashton, but I got Hudson instead. But that's okay, because I can just mix another shade together and it'll fit perfectly. But this is Hudson from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let me just, oh, this might be the perfect shade actually. So this is Hudson. So I got that from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I got a Juvia's. I'm gonna go with Juvia's, and I got a toffee lipstick, and I think it's going to be gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look how pretty the packaging is. Wow. It's just in toffee, and this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna swatch this one just because we can see it pretty well. But that's what it looks like. And then I just got some Lavender Moon bedtime lip treatment. Let me take it out. And it's vegan and cruelty free, which I love. And same with ColourPop. ColourPop's products are vegan and cruelty free, but this is the lip mask treatment. I'm not gonna open it 'cause I don't want it opened yet, but that's what it looks like. And then I got a free hairspray. And then the other two products I got were just two blushes from ColourPop. And the first one looks like this. And then the other one looks like this. But that is all. I'm probably going to end the video here because I already have clips from the other days. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, and comment down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.